Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to replace the timing belt on a Honda Odyssey. Begin by disconnecting the battery and placing the vehicle on level ground. Remove the negative cable first, then jack up the front and support it securely on stands. Take off the accessory drive belts, then the crankshaft pulley and splash shield. Keep parts organized as you remove them to speed reassembly and avoid mistakes. With the engine at top dead center, align the timing marks and lock the cam and crank if required. Release tension on the tensioner and slide the old belt off the sprocket slowly. Inspect the water pump, idlers, and tensioner for damage or play, and replace them if they show wear. Clean mating surfaces and remove any oil or debris before installing new components to ensure proper seating. Fit the new belt starting at the crank and working around the cam sprockets, keeping tension on the non-tension side. Install the new tensioner and set initial tension according to specified guidelines, then turn the tensioner to apply proper preload. Rotate the engine 2 full revolutions by hand and recheck all timing marks to confirm exact alignment. Once confirmed, reassemble the crank pulley, accessory belts, and any
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.